Ida Koit ka kanhun menteri kong amprin dingdo aka apu artarik unailar ila ong by NC Samlem yakimat Treikam Kiba Snem Lynter jong tanat ka Koit ka Khiah bat karep ka Riang Kiba day Kiba kongsan ha ka liang ka roi ka par jongka ile thu hakinong pathai khubor bila dep ya ka jinglet jingo jong i shari lum jaintia ri lum garu bat hari lum KHASI bat ba insulate ru shari boy bat insai kendu yaki MLA ka apulai tarik unailar kham hashwa ikong amprin ila pentip ru bakane ka jela kan sayo la ka jong ka jaka puli doktor la ne ka medical college tanglada kalalong ka bala dep Pynkhreh na ka Bynta jongka ha ka jaka bakan shudu eno ya kishuki bayo na ki weipat ki jela daga bepen bena kerki ya kenu ke medical college imentri la pentip ru ba ya mentahi katura medical college ya ka badang tei menta kelai kendu shibun bah ki jing e
completed my entire tour in the entire state. I have finished Garo Hills, I have finished Jungle Hills, I have finished KHASI Hills. Now I'm going to go to Riang district. I've finished West KHASI Hills. So I've covered the entire state to understand the difficulties, the challenges. If you're not ready for a medical college, you should not declare a medical college, because the 85 to 93 seats that we get regularly for our students as sponsored seats from all the states in the supervision of the union government will stop coming. We will only have a medical college if we are ready for it. Right now, the status of the Tura campus of the medical college is facing some challenges because of the infrastructure building.